Welcome to another J Dude viewing and reacting. Once again, I'm gonna do it on my DVD player in my room instead of the laptop because I couldn't find anything interesting online this time. Today, I'm gonna take a view and react to let's just say a Disney short called Monster Truck Mater. It lasts 4 minutes and 15 seconds. He doesn't even. Mayor's Toll Tales. That's what they're called.
Check out the size of that monster truck. Shoot, that boy's nuts. I used to wrestle trucks. Yep, I used to be a monster truck.
Just a heads up, the monster trucks are going to be portrayed like professional wrestlers. That's why I chose to watch this. Tuesday night. What is it? They misspelled night. Tormentor. Oh my goodness, he pulls a Bugs Bunny. Did he just grab him? I think he just grab him. You'll be jammed. Like Dr. Feel Good and sit. Wait, that's that guy who said wait until he gets the bill. I know that guy. I know the voice actor. He's the same guy who did like Wacko Warner and also Captain Hero. He also did the original Jerry from Totally Spies as well. I recognize him. I think he does commit murder.
That's what I call a patio. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. The buck-toothed wonder of the world, the wrestler of disaster,
Kind of like his previous short. I don't know. I have no like or dislike for this guy where you think it's gonna be a smaller person, but it's actually gonna be a bigger, more monstrous person. I have no real like or dislike for this. I'm just giving him my 2 cents. And he does look monstrous.
I'm dead. Whoa, what did you do? Don't you remember, Nut? We was a tag team.
Oh yeah, that's the running gag of these Mayor's Tall Tales. He will usually include Lightning McQueen midway, like not midway. He would include Lightning McQueen near the conclusion of these tales. That would be the running gag, that he would include Lightning McQueen in these tales near the end. Oh my god, he's trying to commit murder. It's almost like Celebrity Deathmatch. Oh, there's also another running gag that there will be like variations of the twin girl cars. Like they will either be like Asian or country or in this case wrestling fan, but that's also one of the running gags in this show. What did he do?
Watch this.
Oh my god, that's gotta be a DQ.
What's your name, son? Lightning McQueen.
That might have been a reference to the first Tobey Maguire Spider-Man where Toby said he's the human spider, but the announcer changes it to Spider-Man. I think that may have been a reference to the Tobey Maguire Spider-Man. I don't know.
Lightning McQueen. Oh, please. I can't believe it. The Tormentor. I'm your biggest fan, man.
Oh yeah, another running gag like that's repeat throughout the Tall Tales that Lightning McQueen usually doesn't believe his tales, but at the end it turns out to be true. Like a person on his pants or object on his pants, it will be usually like a cameo from the it'll be usually like a cameo from a person in the flashback, like a fan or some random guy in the flashback. That's also one of the running gags these shorts are known for.
Can I get your autograph? Well, of course you can. Oh, I will never wash this store again. Hey, don't you want Lightning McQueen's autograph? Oh, seriously. Okay, really? I'll do it real quick. You're making me uncomfortable. Tagger it. Tagger it. Tagger it.
Keith Ferguson, yeah. He sounds just like Owen Wilson, almost like Owen Wilson was the original voice, but he didn't voice him. He's voiced by Keith Ferguson. I am legitimately surprised they got Larry the Cable Guy to reprise his role as mayor. I am surprised because they couldn't get Owen Wilson, but they got Larry the Cable Guy. (2009). Well, there you have it. Oops. Well, there you have it. Another viewing and reaction video. If there's anything you want me to view and react to, please let me know in the comment section below.